Should I say it out loud? Will you say it out loud? On an endless road we are running. When I come to up, driving another. So should I say it loud? Or do we just guess? We won't make it up this time. This is rough, losing my timeline. Telling yourself there will be a next time. And next time, we won't lose in our minds. This is rough, losing our timeline. Telling yourself there will be a next time, a next time. A strange place, we've gone so far. I don't know where we are. It's a brand new chance to figure this out. Losing your timeline, telling myself there will be a next time, next time. We won't. This is gross. I'm not telling myself there'll be a next time. Ey, vielen Dank.